Hi lovely people, you are welcome to OLERKI'S kitchen. If you're a new person here, you are welcome, darling. Kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and also to share my videos. If you have sweet potato at home, then you got to try this simple potato snacks recipe. If you have never liked sweet potato before, it is because nobody cooked it for you like that. Try this delicious recipe and you will always want for more. For this recipe, you will need sweet potato. This must be well washed. Cut off both ends and wash it well. In this way, we are not going to peel off the potatoes, but rather we are going to chop or slice it into smaller size. This is one of the famous potato recipe that has enchanted the world. Try it in your house and let's hear the feedback. Alright, so we are almost done with the chopping. Put a saucepan on fire and then put in water until it boils. I will then add all the sweet potato in the saucepan, add a little salt to it, and then cover the saucepan to let it cook on high heat for 10 minutes. Before waiting for our potato to cook, we are going to chop our spring onions and put it in the plate. Then go ahead and break our 2 eggs inside a small bowl. After 10 minutes, remove the cover and drain the water from the potatoes. To know if your potato is well cooked, use a fork to test if it is well cooked. Next, I will pour all the sweet potato in the plate and then peel off the potato with the help of a fork or knife. With my fork, I'm going to crush all the potato to form a puree. Let me hear which country you are watching from so I can thank you for seeing my recipe. When it is like this, I'm going to add some butter to make sure that it is well mixed with the potato mash. I will then add my eggs, my spring onions, and my sardine, and then mix it thoroughly until it is well mixed. Then I will add my corn flour, some small chili pepper, some wheat flour, and then a salt to taste. Then mix it up to form a dough. Alright, now I'm going to take some small portion of dough and chip it to form small balls. To continue, in a pan, add enough oil to fry. Wait until the oil is hot and then add your potato balls until it is golden brown. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so. For more recipe, call me OLERKI and I will show you another delicious recipe that is going to blow your mind off. Thank you so much for watching my recipe and I hope you like it. Repeat the same procedure until you are done. This is the famous tomato recipe that enchanted the world. Serve it while it is hot with some hot shito. Till we meet here on OLERKI'S kitchen. Have a blessed day. See you. Bye.